Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So today, y'all can tell, like, I just woke up. So today we are in Houston for the G8 and SS cruise that they're having out here. We drove in last night. What is this car doing? We drove in last night, obviously, so we could be here Saturday morning. At the very moment, I'm at Walmart. Obviously, driving up here, I got a lot of bugs and stuff on the windshield and on the front bumper. The car's kind of dirty. So what I'm trying to do is I'm about to go into Walmart and pick up some Chemical Guys products so I can at least have the car somewhat clean. Because I mean, if you watch me on Instagram, I be detailing, and to have a dirty car doesn't make any sense. But I'm trying to pick up some stuff so the car can be at least somewhat clean. So let me go ahead to Walmart and pick this stuff up. To go get something to eat because obviously we hungry, y'all. So we going to Wendy's right quick. Then we gonna eat and then maybe, I guess, head to the spot like super early, or just get there a little late. I don't know how.
Houston, we've had a problem.
Hey, yo, so we here at, so you got a SS pulling up, but at the meanest spot where everybody's pulling up at. God dang. This is the most G8'S and SS's I ever seen in one place. Hold on. Everybody, this is Ernesto from Booster Twins. Make sure y'all go and subscribe to his channel. It's going to be down below.
Stock waterman, 10 pounds, I think. It should be about 10 pounds.
There we go. How much power it make?
Sure, I haven't checked it. Probably mean about 6 inches.
Don't say nothing crazy, man. They get crazy in the comments. Man, why? Oh, got the red seats in here. Something that I want to kind of do to mine. Y'all, so it's pretty good turnout, y'all. You can see most SS's and G8's and Caprices I've ever seen anywhere. So Houston, really, they do it.
Ready when you are.
Oh, look at that.
What? The blue G8?
Look at that, man. That looks good. Got the HSV. Yeah, I'm following them.
Them?
lost from the whole group. But I mean, they regrouping at the Buc-ee's, so push comes to shove, we'll just put the GPS to the Buc-ee's. I hope nobody's following me because I don't know where the hell I'm going. So I'm following whatever G8'S they
Yeah, so there's a bunch kind of in all the traffic.
So we at Buc-ee's, y'all can see. It's the first stop, and then I think the next one is the last stop that they're doing on the cruise. Good little bunch of G8'S over here. A lot of people getting gas over here. So we about to get something to eat, and then we're about to head out again. Y'all, this is Ghost G8GT. He got a YouTube, so I'm gonna put his YouTube down below, but super clean G8. Got a cam in it and everything. I got this super clean. I like this blue. And I'm gonna give me one. speed. Super
Not loud
loud.
enough.
Huh?
Not loud enough.
That's as loud as I can get. We headed back to San Antonio now. We had a good time. It was a really good turnout, even though it rained and all that. Shout out to Shannon, Goes G8'S, I think that's his name on YouTube. But I'm gonna put all his information down below, and it's gonna pop up in the video. And shout out to Boost Twins, them two. Met both of them, pretty cool guys. Pretty nice cars also. So make sure y'all hit that. You like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. If you're watching the video and you was there, comment down below. Let me know if your G8 made it in the video or not. And I'll see y'all in the next video.